Also tonight, a morning in court for a woman accused of killing her elderly father.
We've been tracking this case since it happened back in May. Jennifer Mulligan is charged with killing 90-year-old Woodward McClure. The defense says Mulligan had told them that her father was abusive. 10 on Your Side's Chris Horn continues our coverage of this case with what was decided in court today.
In the 911 call, Jennifer Mulligan admits to the dispatcher she shot her father in the forehead on purpose and not by accident. But her defense attorney says he has a strategy to counteract that. 44-year-old Jennifer Mulligan told authorities that when she was 3, her father, Woodward McClure, had separated her from the rest of the family for 3 years. After she became his caretaker 2 years ago, he was verbally abusive, threw things, and mistreated her family and their pets, according to Mulligan. In the 911 call she made May 7th, she said she shot him and described McClure as a child rapist and predator. Her attorney says he's looking into the overall effect on her mental health.
We're really looking into all of that right now. She's being evaluated by a professional, and there will be some reports forthcoming. But suffice it to say, Jenny has gone through some very difficult times throughout her life.
In an emotional 911 call, Mulligan described how she recovered a loaded gun from the garage, went into Woodward's bedroom and shot him once in the forehead. She told the dispatcher it wasn't an accident. Mulligan had killed her 90-year-old father on purpose. Is that going to make it hard to defend a murder one charge?
It obviously does, but I expect to be significant mitigating and contrary evidence to explain those statements.
In other words, evidence of Mulligan's torment. She told a detective, "I did what I thought I should do to take care of the agony." The murder case for Jennifer Mulligan now goes to the grand jury. She remains incarcerated. However, her attorney says he will appeal her bond. If she would be convicted on the first-degree murder charge, she could face life in prison. At the courthouse in Virginia Beach, Chris Horn, 10 on Your Side.